Hello teacher. Are you looking for a way to personalize and add a professional touch to your Google Forms for assessments or surveys? Try adding a header image and header text to your form. Step 1. Open a new Google form. Step 2. Click on Themes. Go to Header and click Choose an image. Step 3. Upload the image that you want as header. You can also add an image online. Step 4. Click on Open and Apply. Step 5. In order to change the text style of the header, click on Header. Step 6. There are a variety of options available. You can select the font that you want. The header image and header text can help to make the form more appealing and user-friendly. For more such tech tips from Inner Score that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.